A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Winston Delahaye, has dismissed criticisms that he is against the establishment of a ganja industry in Jamaica. Dr. Delahaye says the criticisms are baseless, adding that he will be taking steps to help the industry develop. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Dr. Winston Delahaye, under fire from critics that he is against the setting up of a ganja industry, said that belief is far from reality.
Simple answer, they are wrong.
And while he's not out to prove anything to anyone, the country's chief medical officer said he is involved in the next step to help develop a medical ganja industry in Jamaica. He, along with the health minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, will attend a World Health Forum next week in the U.S., and there they will make a bid for ganja.
We are really presenting a position to have cannabis removed from Schedule 1. It's currently scheduled on the number 1 scheduling.
Schedule 1 drugs are recognized to have no accepted medical use and is instead seen as a substance with high potential for abuse. But Dr. Tufton says that there is undoubted evidence that is not so with ganja, and so they will be pushing for ganja to be removed from being classed as a Schedule 1 drug.
We are actually pushing for the medicinal value of marijuana to be recognized as legitimate research, legitimate work, because there is a recognition on our part, as well as the medicinal community globally, that there is value.
But he was clear that as the health minister, he has a responsibility to preserve health.
So I can't be as liberal in my utterances as the standard bearer for health as others can be. I have to maintain the position, but we have to coexist, and we have to find a way to coexist, and that's what we're trying to do through the CLA and colleague ministers that we have to work with.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Jamaica is to make a big push into organic farming. That's the word of Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda, who made the disclosure in his contribution to the sectoral debate on Tuesday. Mr. Samuda says the project will start at the Portland-based College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE.
The college intends to convert its Paisley Gardens property into a living organic agriculture laboratory, and this year intends to engage in the production of organic ginger and organic garlic.
The price of oil climbed by 50 cents in trading today. That means oil for delivery in June settled at $47.83 a barrel. It was the highest finish for oil since May 1. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar at an all-time high selling price of $130.07. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $95.10. The pound sterling costs $168.14, while the euro costs $142.47. Trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended with the main JC Market Index up more than 291 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 23. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, the JMB Group, Pan Jam, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Honeybun, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, and the Sagicor Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.